Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Excuse the lashes. They are lifting up on the inner corners because they hate my face. So let's just ignore the lashes. They're just doing their own things, but whatever. What is this video about? Oh yes, look at my face. Oh my gosh, these shadows. You guys, what? Ugh. Okay, so this is obviously, yes, and yes, and where'd it go? I lost it. Yes! Okay, so I have a few things from the Jeffree Star collection. I did get the Lemon Sucker Velour Lip Scrub, and this is basically just like a lemon candy. It's amazing. And then I got the Supreme Frost Diamond Wet Highlight. I mean, y'all, what? This is pure glitter. If you don't like glitter, stay away from this. Oh my gosh. We're just gonna, it's fine. It's muted and subtle and you can't really see it, so it's just, you know. And then obviously the mini breaker and the beautiful Jawbreaker. Oh my gosh. Yeah, yes. Now today I did use a mix of both of these palettes actually. They blended beautifully. The formula's amazing. The color payoff was there. It was wonderful. I mean, I love these shadows. But anyways, as always, let me show you guys the swatches. I'm actually really proud of the swatches. Okay, so first let's do the Mini Breaker palette. So here is the Mini Breaker palette. And here is my Instagram handle as normal. And then here is the Big Kahuna, the Jawbreaker palette. She's a beauty. She's a beauty. She's super serious. Super beautiful, y'all. Super beautiful. Okay, so they're gorgeous and I love it. And I mean, you guys, I can't say, I mean, speechless. This highlighter, done. I'm done. But if you guys want to see this ridiculous look, then just keep watching. I'm about to prime my lids. I use P. Louise. Oh, hey, Jeffree Star swatches. Hi, what's up? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a swoopy doop. I'm going to start with the darkest shade and kind of create the look. I'm actually going to go out a little bit farther this time, past the tail of my eyebrow, just to make it more like bam. And then I'm going to start gradiating all the colors. So we're just going to quickly go through this and then we can start with the lid color after we are done with that. So as always, when I do my looks, I use a very tiny brush. This is just a small little pencil brush. It is a JH39 and I like to lift my eyebrow and I like to very carefully work the color in and blend it up with each other. So it creates a really beautiful gradient. Alright, so I am going to create a wing, but it's going to be white, and I'm going to mimic the style of Jawbreaker splatter on the top with 3 colors, yellow, purple, and orange from the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner collection. And the colors are Vivid Halo, Vivid Blossom, and Vivid Delight. So I'm just going to speed through this. I am using the Suva Beauty Hydroliner in Space Panda. I have also added the glitter to the sides over here just to give myself a little bit more sparkle. It's not a really super sparkly glitter, but it does reflect light once it hits it. And it's kind of this cool see-through effect, so you can still see the shadow underneath on my inner corner. Alright, for blush, I am going in with Alamar Cosmetics. And I think I want to use this color right here because I just want to bring in a little bit more orange. And this is Scorcher. It has a really nice, pretty peach sheen to it. Okay, and for lipstick, I have a very special story about this baby right here. And hopefully tomorrow I have that video up. But this is Huda Beauty After Party. Look at her. It's kind of like the duochrome in the mini breaker, and I thought it would be a perfect fit. It's kind of like Oral, which is this color. It's so pretty, you guys, but I have a very, very special story about this, and that video should be up tomorrow. I'm so excited for that video! Lots of emotions. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my god, this color is amazing. You guys, this color is so... Ugh. Okay. And for highlight, obviously, I'm going to be using Diamond Wet. And, oh, you guys. This is the most delicious highlighter in the entire world. Let me just show you guys how beautiful this is. Oh my god. What is happening to my face? What is that? I'm... So, yeah, you know? Oh my god. What? I can't stop putting on, it's like crack. And that is all I have. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!